Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my curly messy bun that works out pretty much every time I do it. Before we jump in, I want to quickly tell you about the jewelry that I'm wearing today. So it's from a brand called Ana Luisa, and it is actually my favorite jewelry brand right now. I would recommend it to my friends or my family for a bunch of different reasons. So their jewelry is high quality, long lasting, it's tarnish free, and they are carbon neutral, which is a great plus. This is actually my second time working with them. My first time was about 3 years ago now actually, and I have worn those pieces almost every single day. I frequently work out in them, sometimes I shower with them, and all of those pieces lasted so beautifully. They still look 100% new. So I'll be showing you one of those pieces as well as 3 newer ones that they sent me that I'm already in love with. This necklace is one of the pieces from 3 years ago, and it's my favorite necklace. I wear it almost every single day. It's just a beautiful little butterfly, really dainty. So then the first newer piece is these earrings, and I really love them because they match my necklace. So you just open them like this, and then they clasp into place really easily. Super cute. I absolutely love these. So then the second piece is this beautiful ring, and this is what it looks like. And then the last piece is this set of earrings, which I think is my favorite out of all of these. So they are two-toned, they are gold and silver, which I thought was really nice because my wedding band is silver and now I can wear gold jewelry, and it just all kind of meshes together, and I thought that was a very cool idea. You can actually take the silver part off, so now you just have these really beautiful gold simple earrings. So this is what they look like just on their own. Very sleek and modern looking. So I would definitely recommend checking them out. They are higher end, but yet they're still pretty affordable. Plus right now they're having a sale on their website, and I'm gonna post a link in the description of this video. So if you wanna check anything out, just click on that link. But without further ado, let's get into the messy bun. So you just need a couple things for this. You need a scrunchie, which I already have in my hair, and you need just a regular hair tie and some bobby pins. And then this is optional, but I also like to use a spray bottle just to make some of my little baby hairs wet and like curl them and make them look a little more put together. So step 1, you're gonna put all your hair up into a ponytail. This can be a little bit looser, it can be a little bit messier. But I do put it in quite tight so that it doesn't go anywhere. So even if it's like a little bit looser like this part is still very tight so that it stays in place. All right, next step is you're gonna drape your curls around the scrunchie, just like this. I have my hair tie, I'm gonna grab it, I'm gonna put it around once and twice. So now we have this little bun with these curls sticking out. So now I just pull on the bun, make it a little bit messy and looser, and that kind of makes these curls disappear more. You could leave it like this. Depending on how long or short your hair is, you may have to tuck them in. So my hair is getting a bit longer. This is adorable though. I love when these curls just kind of hang out, but you can take a bobby pin. So over here it's a little bit longer. Just gonna grab a few of them and just bobby pin them right into the bun. And we'll do a little bit over here. So now to spice this up a little bit, I am going to pull out some hairs on the sides, up here. And I also have all these baby hairs in the back that love to come out. So I kind of I help them out and I just kind of pull them out. And then this part is optional if you like the look of this. I personally do. So I'm going to spray the hairs down. I'm gonna split them in half down the middle, and I'm gonna take my Denman brush and I'm just gonna twist them around. Normally I also spray down these little baby hairs a little bit, just so they curl up and they're not as straight. So I went to the bathroom to wet them down even more because they were just being really stubborn. But I got them to curl up. So I will show you the end result when everything is dry. All right, I'm back. Everything's dry and this is what it's looking like. Got our little baby curls in the back. So again, all of these little curls are optional. You don't have to add them. Personally, I think they add a really nice, cute little touch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I will get back to you right away. I would love it if you liked and subscribed, and I will see you in my next video.